Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel Ugly Duckling. Myself Rubina.Hamid Shikalgar. My school Anjuman Khairul Islam Urdu High School Satara. This is my English Book 5 and today I am with you for the lesson The Little Babul Tree. I am reading. Keep your fingers on words and keep your ears on my pronunciation. The Little Babul Tree. In a grove of mango trees there was one little babul tree. The little tree was pretty, but it was not happy. One day it said, "I do wish I had big leaves. All the other trees have big leaves. My thorns are sharp and stiff. Children do not like me." Next day, when the tree woke up, it had big leaves. It was just like the mango trees. "Now I am happy," it said. But a goat came along and ate up all the big leaves. "Oh dear," said the babul tree, "I wish I had gold leaves." Goats do not eat gold leaves. Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had gold leaves. "How happy I am," it said. But a thief came along and stole all the gold leaves. "Oh dear," said the babul tree, "I wish I had glass leaves." Thieves do not steal glass leaves. Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had glass leaves. "How happy I am! See, my leaves shine in the sun." But a strong wind sprang up. "Woof," said the wind, and it broke all the glass leaves. "Oh dear," said the babul tree, "I wish I had my thorns and small leaves again." Goats do not eat them all up. Thieves do not steal them. The wind will do them no harm. Then the tree went to sleep. Next day, when it woke up, it had all its thorns and small green leaves again. "Oh, I never was so happy," said the little babul tree. किताबों से दोस्ती कीजिए, बुलंद ख्वानी के मज़े लीजिए। वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि बच्चों के साथ उनकी किताबों के साथ थोड़ा सा वक्त गुजारिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।